probate is an order of the Supreme Court which allows an executor to distribute assets from an estate when somebody passes away. Now, to apply for probate, usually you need to have assets over $50,000 and you do need to have a will. Now, the process of probate is quite difficult, and usually we recommend to get a lawyer involved to help you out. And if you need any assistance with a probate or have any questions, please let me know. So when somebody dies without a will, we go through the process called letters of administration. Now, letters of administration is almost the same as probate, except there's a few more hurdles that we have to jump over. Now, letters of administration is governed by the Succession Act. So it doesn't necessarily mean that the person that you want to receive a gift under your will receive it. So if you want to ensure that those gifts go to the right people, make sure that you have a will. So there are no death duties in New South Wales. However, there are some fees that need to be paid when you do pass away. One of those fees obviously is in relation to the funeral, but the other fee that you usually encounter is what we call the filing fee for probate or letters of administration. Now, I can't give you an exact estimate of what that figure will be because it depends on the value of your estates. However, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call and I can give you some general advice. So a reading of a will is a concept that was very big back about 50 or 60 years ago. However, it's not that common these days. Essentially what it is when somebody passes away, the family members all meet at, say, the solicitor's office where the will is kept and go through the terms of the will. Now, this still comes up sometimes. However, as a general day-to-day practice, it's very rare that we come across this process. And if there isn't a reading of a will, don't worry. It doesn't mean that you're not going to receive your gift. It will come. We just have to deal with the executor. That's a really good question, and a question that I get asked all the time. Now, there's really two main costs to go ahead with a probate. The first cost is the filing fee, which I've already touched on. The second major cost is legal costs. Now, legal costs are capped by the Supreme Court, and what that means is that we charge dependent on the value of the estate. So if you give us a call, we can give you an estimate over the phone. However, to provide you with a detailed quote, we really need to understand the assets of the estate. And this happens as we go through the motions and contact banks and find out the value of property and things like that.